Only 30 miles from civilization. Blown a tire.
And we just changed the axle spring.
It's a nice flat spot up here. I wonder how much damage underneath now.
Hey, you crew. If you guys haven't met us before, I'm Jamie, and this is my wife, Princess. For the last few years, we've been traveling around the world. Well, almost. We began sailing around the world on our super awesome aluminum performance sailing catamaran, Jupiter 2. 4 years of full-time sailing, all the way from Asia, Africa to the Americas, until we ran out of money. For me, it was back to work, which, to be honest, ain't too bad. But we need a place to live and we need to keep exploring. Only one answer: RVing America.
We are excited. RVing once again. It's been 6 months easily since we have moved. We were just down the road a little bit. We moved like 20 miles to here, but we are road tripping today, headed north. Finally, boat work for the winter is done. As you can see here in the campground, we're almost the only ones here. Everyone's left because it's too hot now. It's already too hot. We're headed up into Utah, and on the way we're stopping at Valley of Fire, just north of Las Vegas, for a couple of days, and then Bryce Canyon. We're so looking forward to seeing the parks of Utah. We've been to Utah before, but we never got a chance to see the parks, so that's what we're doing. Awesome. Last 2 days I've been working on the RV, did a major surgery, replaced all of the springs, the leaf springs. We have brand new suspension. And gotta say, it looks way better than it did before we started. Those springs still have some curve in them. Mind you, there's not a lot of weight on it right now. The jacks are down, so they'll probably flatten a little bit. But compared to the springs that I just threw away yesterday, brand new, and has got to be better than it was. It'll also probably help out with our bottoming out problem that we have on the back wall. We always tend to bottom out if there's a bit of a dip in the road. Hopefully that is an issue of the past. All right, we're just about packed up. We're gonna hook up and skedaddle. You ready to go, buddy? You ready to go? You ready to go? Let's go road tripping, yay!
What's wrong?
This back tire here, the pressure's down. That's the new tire,
Oh yeah.
brand new tire. But I charged it up to 80 2 days ago. Now it's down to 69. Okay, we'll put some air in it.
Even looks a bit flat, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
74 it's saying here. Well, that should do the trick, but we're going to keep an eye on that. Hey, it's a little leaky. Sucks that it's the brand new tire. I mean,
Yeah. What could possibly go wrong?
many things. All right, I think we're planned to stop. First stop, we've got a state park, the Valley of Fire State Park, booked tomorrow night for 2 nights. I think we've decided we'll stop at Lake Havasu tonight, boondocking. I just hope it's not too hot, you know. We're going to be there by lunchtime. It's like 3.5 hour drive. We'll be there at 1 o'clock. But it'll be an easy day.
is your destination.
This is our boondock, and it goes all the way up the hill here. So.
Scrape the back.
Ah. Just get in the truck. On the road again.
Second day.
Yeah, the day 2, travel day number 2. We had a pretty easy one, I guess. 3.5 hours yesterday, or 4 hours. Boondocking on the banks, sort of the banks or the hills of Lake Havasu. This is a nice area, actually.
Yeah. We sort of feel like it's secrets, you know.
It's desert and the blue water. Yeah.
Really pretty.
It is pretty, but we were pretty hot last night. Couldn't run the aircon on the batteries, of course, at night time. We can on the generator, but I'm not going to leave that running all night. Just the fan pumping, and we were a bit hot. Today we traveled just north of Las Vegas to the Valley of Fire.
Yeah.
You've been wanting to go there for
I know,
2
just last
years.
year. Is it 2 years now? Oh my god.
So finally we're doing that. And I'm quite sure that the temperature will be equivalent to the Valley of Fire.
Yeah.
But we have got a campsite. We've got one of the state park campsites with electric, so we can run the AC.
Lucky we have a slot, you know, because it's full.
Yeah, we got the last available slot, and it was big enough, and that's lucky. We need the AC for Hound Dog here, because we want to go walking. We want to go checking out the rocks.
Yeah, but apparently you can bring your dogs, but I don't think he can do it.
Yeah, it's just too hot for him.
And he doesn't like to walk that far.
No, he's more of a lounge dog than a trail dog.
He likes to run. That's what he
Yeah,
does.
brief moments of time. So, fingers crossed for a easy travel day, 3.5 hours. Hopefully, we'll be plugging in by 3 o'clock this afternoon. Crank up the AC,
Then go hike.
then go do a sunset walk. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Woke up in a country lane, don't know what happened, I don't know how I came to be at the end of my rope with Megalado going up in smoke. When you got a disaster.
Oh my god.
There's only
It's only 1 hour left.
30
Why?
miles from civilization. Blown a tire.
But why? We're in the flat. And we just changed the axle spring.
It's a nice flat spot up here.
second time that we had a tire blown. I don't know what's the reason. It's so smooth here and there's no rocks that will make the tire blow. It's on this side, port side. I hope there's no major problem.
I wonder how much damage underneath now. I think that's off the tire itself. Oh, see, it's part of this tire. Westlake, which is what these are, have a bad reputation. You know, people do run them for a long time. They're cheap. Maybe they're getting that age. I think they're 2022, you know, so they're only 3 years old, but...
Aww, we gotta need a new one.
I should rip that off completely. Look at this damage too. Not as bad as last time.
Apart from this skirting all bent up, I don't see any other damage. I mean, we lost the fender.
I'm gonna have to screw that up. Oh, jeez.
What is it?
Yeah, it's just been...
Just the cover.
Just flapped off, yeah.
Ah.
Let's get dirty. Pressure, yeah. We're about 30 miles from Vegas and we're actually, campground is 40 miles north of Vegas, so we've only got an hour to go. We'll be there. So we'll just put the spare tire on. Hope we don't get any more blowouts before we get there. What do I need? Winder. Alright, let's see if I got a bit of cardboard in the back. I'm gonna need to check the air pressure anyway, so I might as well charge it up and use the drill. Last time. Seems to have wrapped itself around the axle there. Ow! There we go. There we go. Didn't affect my brakes. No, my brakes are still joined. That's good. Well, at least we didn't leave any debris on the highway, I guess. We can put that in the bin. All right. Almost. Oh, there we are. So it's not just the tire that gets wrecked. These, to buy another set, and since we had a blowout on that side already, we need a whole new set. $700 for bits of flimsy plastic. Competing with the motorcycle.
Oh no.
I didn't charge it. Anyway, that's enough, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, so let me put this shit away. Well, there's another $200 or $300 down the drain. That's RVing for you. Should be like the boat acronym, bring out another 1,000. Same applies with the RV. See if we can get to the campground without anything else going wrong.
Finally, we arrived here.
Well, this is just the park entrance. I don't know where the campground is.
Yeah.
We're gonna find out.
It's almost 5 o'clock.
It's almost 5.
But it looks like, nice weather to go out. It's not too hot because of the clouds. So pretty. Nice, my baby. Hello.
Oh, I've got an idea. It's just there, so I'm gonna park here.
Hey, we're here. It looks so pretty. And it's amazing. The rocks is just beautiful. You want me to go down?